them out today, so it's a box of that boy. So I ended up ordering some new boots from a website called New Rock. And these were a bit pricey, but they look freaking badass. So I had to order them. And right here we have my new boots from New Rock. Right here are the boots from New Rock Boots and Shoes. www.newrock.com. If you guys want to check them out, leave a link below. And this unboxes that boy. Hopefully they fit too, because they're like European sizing, so freaking, they're badass right here. Look at these. Close view, as you can see, they're a little hefty too. In the back. And the reason why I got these is because they look sick. A little spike, not too pointy, so it won't really hurt you. Alright guys, let's try them on. Be it for the video, but before I end the video, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look because these guys are freaking amazing. And I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check them out. And I highly recommend these, especially like if you're a golf. You're gonna look badass wearing these. And these are actually made in Spain. I didn't mention this before, but as you can see, these are pricey, but I got it on sale, so I got lucky. I'm gonna have to order some more. And I heard these last a long time too as well. I think they last longer than the Demonas or Demona boots, but they're pretty hefty too. I think it said 6 pounds, I believe. So these are gonna be heavy wearing, but they should look badass though. And that's it for the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video content. If you did, please make sure to leave, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps. I'm trying to build the channel. Hopefully I can. But until then,